He said, why don't we see the help towards the liberation of the city of Al-Quds? And also I would like to draw your attention that we can count about 1 billion Muslim nowadays on earth.
First of all, he has not reported the full hadith. If he had reported the full hadith, it would be answered there. When inquired by a companion as to how he can understand helping a transgressor, because it is against the Islamic teachings. One can understand helping the one who is transgressed against. But how can one understand helping his brother even if he is zalim? In answer to this question, Rasulullah ﷺ said, by holding his hands from transgression, by telling him not to do that. That's the true meaning. And in that meaning, Ahmediyya has been telling not only the Jews as the transgressors to abstain from the wrongs they commit against the Palestinians, but also the Palestinians when they committed wrongs against the Jewish people or behaved in an un-Islamic way in their own territory. So we are performing the duty very well in both cases. So they don't listen to us, it's their fault. We are performing our duties all right.